this is an unboxing video for Tartan Tarantulas. And this was sent by Stainy Wids, who is a pretty epic guy. I did order, well, my order had to be changed at last minute, but let's just hope that makes up, what he sent makes up for the change. Fucking, what's this? Yes, I'm doing this on a bed because it's the best place to do it. Right. There's loads of what's it's. 3H Gigas. Two enclosures. Check the box before I finish. Right. Chew. Ugh, it's got stuck in my finger. Right, I'll only be on rehousing one of the kilo brackies that he sent in place of, he sent a fair few things because he ran out of P. Smithies, and so this is, did he send one? Okay, GBB, there. Oh, he changed his mind then, so it was a 3H Gigas by the looks of things. Right. Person filming is my girlfriend, who is playing a very silent role here, and she'll say hi if she fancies. Right. I have no idea what I'm going to expect with the H Gigas, so I'll sort this out in a sec. I have all my utensils. Fortunately, no paintbrush, because the paintbrush bristles are too big. Right. Either this is going to be very comical or very, very painful. God, I hate you, Stainy. Right. God, that's just scary. No, go that way. Oh fuck! Already want a selfie. Yes. You keep an eye over there.
They're okay. Oh,
oh, one in. Come on. Yes, come on. Oops. That's two. Right. Come on. Right. If I had filmed me on unpacking the trapdoor I got the other week, last week, you lot would think these are puppies. That's it. That way. Spiders. Oh my god, there's a severe size comparison difference. Right, that's only temporary. I'm going to add some bark and stuff later.
Do you want to pass me the other tub just so I can double check?
Gosh. That?
You know what Stain's like with his surprises?
Yeah, surprise. I thought I was getting some. I thought I was getting some kilo brackies as well, but nope. I've got well, what says green bottle blue, but I don't know if that's going to be green bottle blue. I'll put it in here. Oh, no, it's not green bottle blue. Oh my god. Looks like I'll be breaking out the bean weevils. Be very, very careful. Oops, that wasn't meant to happen. Right, I'm going to have to do these. You got it.
Yeah, it's sort of... How many are in there?
5. Yeah. Right. GBB. I expected green bottle blue. But instead I get 5 little polka dots. So hopefully they can be communed. My girlfriend's not going to squash one.
So tiny.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's fucking like EWLs. So yeah. So fucking tiny. Camera. Yeah. You're at that size where tweezers aren't exactly your attack capabilities. Camera. I have to say, this is probably making. I'm going to make good viewing. Right, 1, 2, 3. There's one left on here. Right, I'm sorry, but you're going to have to. I haven't got steady hands. Poor thing. Come on, that's it. Right. Right. 5 little black dots in there. Oops, just for camera, if you can see them. If you can't, sorry, I'm only doing this on phone. Right, thank you for the misleading GBB surprise. I've got to do this now. Right.
What are they then?
You'll find out in a minute. Right. Could you pass me all that soil we made up? Right. Right. No, just use all the soil we made up. Yeah. Right. I'll sort of, right. Try and set my tripod up. Right. Ha. Yes, that's better. For the moment. Am I in frame?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Right. These. I wasn't expecting them to be severely taped, but hey ho. If I accidentally stab them with a knife, I am so sorry. I'll need that again in a sec. Yeah. Makes good comedy when you're not the person being stuck. Ugh, ugh, ugh. Oops. A few technical difficulties. 1 sec. Alpha. For sake. Right, you can see me now. Okay. Okay, well, it's alive and active. Can you see that in the camera?
Unboxing take 2.
Right. Sorry about that, I had a phone call, so my film got sort of put into 2 parts. Right, this is the Aureus Dephorius, that's Stainy with Red himself. And I'm going to have to try and persuade him. Or her. It. Come on. That's it. There you go. From what I hear, they're really, really active. And they're pretty neat little species. They came in sort of like sauce pots that you get from like a pizza place or Chinese. And I've got one more to do. Oh, sorry dude. It's a pretty nice enclosure actually. I'll have to try and get some of them off him. Right, that's the one good thing about Stainy is if he runs out or something, he'll get in contact with you straight away and tell you that it's not going to be possible to supply, and he'll come up with something, but something better. Usually, well, generally better value as well. More comedy value. Right, and here's number 2. Which one bigger? Do you look about the same size? You're a bit fatter. I should call you Roly Poly. Yeah, right. Oh, well, you are a bit bigger. That's it. Right. That's the other one. I will be adding bark and stuff afterwards. I will be posting pictures on the custom group from Tartan Tarantulas, the Tartan Tarantula customer group on Facebook. If you haven't, if you're watching this and you haven't already gone and liked his Facebook page, it's called Tartan Tarantulas, and he does some of the best offers and deals possible. So if you get, when you get a chance, go and give the page a like, and he'll sort you out for epic deals. And Stainy, you've outdone yourself. I'm sorry I didn't video record my last box off you, which was a C Fascium. But I hope this makes up for it.
Okay, just to show you how the spiders actually come in, how active they are. These guys have not stopped moving.
It's because they've got nowhere to hide.
But now they have stopped moving.